Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin. We have got your sneak peek video for September, was it 9th? September 9th, yep. So let's go on over to number 1 and we will let you know what everything is worth. So Christmas card ornament set, you can get both that set of Christmas cards and the ornament for $7.50. One of those available. Number 2, Love and Trust wall decor wall hangings, $10 for the set. Number 3, St. George crystal candle holders. They put a little votive in there. The votives are included. $15 for both of those. Number 4 is this awesome dog puzzle, 1,500 piece dog puzzle, $10 for that. And then we have number 5 is a glove bundle. So you're going to get all of those pairs of gloves, $15. Number 6 is a canvas crossbody bag, $12.50. There's 5 of them available. Lots of compartments, very cute. We'll match anything. Number 7, the Paul Revere lantern, $15. 3 of those available. Number 18 is a pair of Number 8 is the Eastland sandal, size 9, cute heels, $25. Number 9 is the LOL surprise toy. It's got a bracelet and some fun accessories there, $5. 5 of them available. Number 10 is the Littlest Pet Shop toy. You get that whole box for $15. Number 11, these are the Black Lanterns Flickering Flame Lantern, $5, and there are 5 of them available. Number 12 are boxes of strawberry Pop-Tarts, $5. You get 6 sets, which is 2 a piece, so you get 12 actual strawberry Pop-Tarts inside those, $5. 2 of those available. Number 13 is a gingerbread inflatable woman, 4 foot tall, $15, perfect for Christmas time. Number 14 is a Coleman beverage cooler, nice large size, $7.50. Number 15 is a Catapult 3D wooden puzzle. Build it and it actually works, $15. 2 of them available. Number 16 is a 2,000 piece puzzle, $17.50 a piece. A really beautiful picture, 3 of those available. Number 17 is a Family Feud game, $7.50, 4 of those available. And then we're going to wander on over to our other table here. Number 18 is a crane fountain. Nice metalwork crane fountain. Does come with the pump and everything needed to run it, $30. Number 19 is sets of string lights. String lights, I believe, I will look at they have incandescent bulbs, plug-ins, 10 lights, and it's 9 feet long. And those are $5, 5 boxes available. Sorry? $10, 5 boxes available. Sorry about that. Number 20 are blue light glasses, $5, 5 available. Number 21 is the blue hiking backpack, $30. 1 of those available. Number 22 is the stocking holder. It says Merry Everything in gold, $30. Number 23, these are amazing. This is a Pac-Man ghost light. It does change colors. You can even plug it into music and it changes to the sound of the music, $20. 3 of those available. Number 24 is what I call the boardwalk clock. Neat little boardwalk with a rope circle, $15. 4 of them available. Number 25 is a galvanized kind of pail, $15, great decorative piece. Number 26 is the open and close sign, very vintage, cute, $12.50. Number 27 is our cool dragon cup. It has a Viking on one side and a dragon for the handle, $15, stoneware. Number 28 is the Cool Way hair straightener, $15, 3 of those available. Number 29 is the coffee press for French press coffee, $10. Number 30 is a bundle of popcorn. You get 5 bags of various different flavors. You will get birthday cake. You'll get Southwest habanero. You'll get ranch. You'll get s'mores. And you'll get lemon cheesecake, all for $20 and multiple of those available. We do have a few more items that are always mystery items on our fire sale, but we'll see you tomorrow at noon Central Standard Time on Thursday for the fire sale. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins.